Open your booklet, worksheet 2, page 4, part 1. Clock 1 below refers to the beginning of a session, whereas clock 2 refers to the end of the session. Answer the following questions. What time does the clock show at the beginning of the session? 8 o'clock. What time does the clock show at the end of the session? 8:50 minutes 5 seconds. What is the time needed for the session? 50 minutes 5 seconds. All the answers given above indicate time, but they can be classified into two groups. Group 1, instant. Group 2, duration. What's the difference between instant and duration? 8 o'clock, which is the time at which the session starts, is classified as instant. 8:50 minutes 5 seconds, which is the time at which the session ends, is classified as instant also. This means that the time at which an event takes place is called instant. The time at which a football match starts, the time at which a movie ends are examples of instant. The session starts at 8 o'clock, lasts for 50 minutes 5 seconds. 50 minutes 5 seconds represents how long the session lasts or how long the session takes from beginning to end. 50 minutes 5 seconds is called duration. Duration can be defined as time interval or time separating two instants. Let's solve number 4, worksheet 2. The time at which the event takes place is the instant. The time interval during which an event takes place is the duration. How can we know what time it is now? By looking at our watch. How can we measure the duration? By using stopwatch. It's also called chronometer. Let's solve part 2, worksheet 2. The watch or stopwatch indicates the instant. Watch is used to indicate instant. We cross out stopwatch. The watch or stopwatch measures directly the duration. Stopwatch is used to measure directly the duration. We cross out watch. How do we calculate the duration? Let's see. A session starts at 10 a.m., ends at 11:30 a.m. What do times 10 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. represent? Instant. How long does this session last? How long means that we have to find out the duration of this session. To calculate duration, we subtract instant 1 from instant 2. Instant 2 represents the time at which the event ends. Instant 1 represents the time at which the event starts. In this case, instant 1 is 10 a.m. Instant 2 is 11:30 a.m. So, duration equal 11:30 minus 10, which is equal to 1 hour 30 minutes. So, the session lasts for 1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour 30 minutes is the duration of the session. Pay attention. The way to represent an instant is, the way to represent a duration is 1 hour 30 minutes, not 1:30. 1:30 means that the time is 1:30 o'clock, not that it took 1 hour 30 minutes to finish an event. Pause the video, solve application 1 worksheet 2, then continue watching to check your answers. Indicate the instant at which the marathon race has begun. A marathon race started at 2:30. Then 2:30 is the instant at which the marathon race has begun, which is instant 1. He covered the arrival line at 5:30. Then 5:30 is the instant at which the marathon race has finished, which is instant 2. Calculate the duration of the race. We apply the formula. Duration equals instant 2 minus instant 1. 5:30 minus 2:30 is equal to 3 hours. So the marathon race lasts for 3 hours. Pause the video again, solve application 2 worksheet 2, then continue watching to check your answers. In a school, the third period starts at 9:15 a.m. It lasts for 50 minutes. Pick up from the given an instant and duration. 9:15 a.m. instant, 50 minutes duration. Find the instant at which the third period ends. To know instant 2, we have to add 50 minutes, which is the duration of the session, to the time the session has started, which is 9:15 a.m. So, instant 2 equals instant 1 plus duration equals 9:15 plus 50 minutes, which is equal to 10:05. The session ends at 10:05 a.m. We can express time in years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds. The unit of measurement of time in SI is second. We can convert time from one unit to another. To convert time from hour to minutes, we multiply by 60, since 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Convert from minute to second, we divide by 60. Minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, to convert from minute to second, we multiply by 60. To convert from second to minute, we divide by 60. Pause the video, solve conversion application worksheet 2, then continue watching to check your answers. How do we convert hour into second? From hour to minute, we multiply by 60. From minute to second, we multiply also by 60. So, from hour to second, we multiply 60 by 60 equals 3600. So, to convert directly from hour to second, we multiply by 3600. To convert second to hour, we divide by 3600. Have 2 minutes to solve the following, then check your answer.